Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody. Good morning YouTube. Okay, so as you can tell by the title of this video, this is the morning of the very first ever collab hosted by yours truly, my friend Debra Gabriella and my friend Kylie at Home with Kylie. So I will leave their links to their pages down below. So we are hosting a collab for a $20 decor challenge for Valentine's Day. Now, I went over by 25 cents. So I'm going to show you the two things that I made for this challenge. I did two DIYs and I wanted to do something really fun and inexpensive that anybody can do for their home and their friends or family or whatever. So I'm going to show you the things that I got for the collab. So first I got a roll of twine, and it was $1.25 from the dollar store. And then I got two of these ribbons, and they were, how much were these? $4.99, but they were 50% off, so that comes to $2.50 each, and I needed two of them. And then I got this pack here. It's open because I already did my DIY. A pack of 12, what is it? 12 felt hearts. And they were $2 each. Okay. And then I got 3 wreaths. But I'm going to show you that in a bit because it's already set up and I'm for filming purposes, I didn't want to take it down. So anyways, if you are new to my channel, and you happen to stumble by this channel, my name is Bella, and I would love if you hit the subscribe button down below and give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, like and share it. So now I'm gonna turn the camera around and I will show you what I've done. Okay guys, this is what I made with that jute ribbon and the felt hearts. I made this really cute little garland to go on my fireplace. So I'm going to pan in real close and show you what I did because it's really simple. All you needed to do was string through the twine on the hearts, and I just did one pink, one red, pink, red, and pink. So this was a total of $3.25 just for this craft. And I think it looks really cute, and I think it's adorable, and it adds a little touch of Valentine's Day to your living room. Okay guys, so this is my second DIY. It is a triple wreath. It's a 3-heart wreath that I actually strung together with that pretty bow. I'm gonna pan in real close so you can get a better look. Now, I know my lighting is not very good, but I will do my best to videotape this for you. So what I did here is I took this pretty ribbon that I got from Michael's and I just made a really nice bow. And then I hot glued the ribbon in the back all the way down on all 3 wreaths. And then I just fishtailed it right there on the end. And actually, I'm going to put this on my front door, but my front door is glass, and for filming purposes, it wasn't a really good idea. So each one of these heart wreaths was $4. And as I told you before, the ribbon was $2.50, but I had to use 2 packs because the length was really long. So yeah, that's it. That is it for my DIYs. Okay, my loves, this is the very end of the video, and I hope you really like this. And this is our very first collab, so I hope you all joined us in this because we're really happy about this collab. I want to wish everyone a very happy Valentine's Day with your friends and family and your loved ones. I hope you liked my video, so give it a big thumbs up if you did. Like, share, comment. I love your comments so much. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you part of my YouTube adventures. So, my name is Bella, and I wish you guys all the best. See you soon, YouTube. Bye, everybody.